I'll tell you what to do, darling. When you reach town, I want you to call up the New York Times or whoever you call, and I want you to mail me a list of the 50 richest men in Brazil. The 50 richest.
Holly, I'm not going to let you do this.
You're not going to let me.
Holly, I'm in love with you.
So what?
So what? So plenty. I love you. You belong to me.
No, people don't belong to people.
Of course they do.
I'm not gonna let anyone put me in a cage.
I don't want to put you in a cage. I want to love you.
It is the same thing.
No, it's not. Holly,
I'm not Holly. I'm not Lilime either. I don't know who I am. I'm like this cat. We're a couple of no-name slobs. Nobody belongs to us, and we don't belong to anybody. Stop the cab. What do you think? This ought to be the right place for a tough guy like you. Garbage cans, rats galore. Scram! I said take off, beat it. Let's go.
driver, pull over here. You know what's wrong with you, miss? Whoever you are. You're chicken. You've got no guts and you're afraid to stick out your chin and say, okay, life's a fact. People do fall in love. People do belong to each other because that's the only chance anybody has for real happiness. You say you're a wild spirit, a free thing, and you're terrified that someone's going to stick you in a cage. Well, you're already in that cage. You built it yourself, and it's not bounded in the west by Tulip, Texas, or in the east by Somaliland. It's wherever you go, because no matter where you run, you always end up running into yourself. Here, take this. I've been carrying it for months. I don't want it anymore.